In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a text box in Canva. Whether you're creating a presentation, designing a social media post, or making an invitation, adding text effectively can make all the difference. First, make sure you're logged into your Canva account. If you haven't started a design yet, create a new one from the Canva homepage. You can choose from hundreds of templates for any occasion. With your design open, look to the left side of your screen to find the menu and click on the text option. Canva makes this simple and intuitive, giving you access to a wide range of text elements from headings to captions. For this tutorial, we'll focus on adding a text box. Click the Add a Text Box button and a new text box will appear on your canvas, ready for you to type. The text box comes with a default font and size, but you can easily adjust these to fit your design. Click inside the text box to start typing your content, titles, quotes, instructions, or any message you want to include. Once your text is in place, use the toolbar above your design to customize it. You can change the font, size, color, alignment, and even add effects like shadows or highlights. Consider using different sizes or colors to emphasize key points and create a clear visual hierarchy. Canva also makes it easy to organize your text. Click and drag the text box to move it anywhere on your design, aligning it perfectly with other elements to maintain a clean, professional layout. And there you have it. You've successfully added and customized a text box in Canva. With this simple tool, the possibilities for personalizing your designs are virtually limitless. Keep exploring Canva's features to elevate your projects even further. Thanks for watching and happy designing.